How to add images to homepage in Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about adding images to your Shopify homepage. So to do this, all you're going to do is you're going to come over to your online store. Now once you come over to your online store, what you're going to do from here is you're going to simply go over to whatever theme you want to customize. So as we can see, I'm going to come over here. Now you're going to come over to your homepage. Okay, this is my homepage. So to add an image in this, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on the add section and you're simply going to search up image, and it depends on whatever image you want to add. I'm going to add image with like proper image banner. Now here you can see you get an image banner, and you can add your images from here. So simply just go ahead and add whatever images you want. So I'm going to go with that. So there we go. There's your image banner, and you can obviously work with things accordingly. So yeah, that's how you're going to add images into your Shopify homepage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.